In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table in Google Slides. Whether you're looking to organize data, compare information, or simply add a bit of structure to your presentation, tables can be incredibly useful. And the good news is, adding a table in Google Slides is a straightforward process. Let's dive in. First, let's start by opening up your preferred web browser, Google Chrome. At the top right corner, you'll notice the Sign In button. Go ahead and click on that, and you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. If you have multiple accounts, select the one you wish to use, enter your password, and click on the Next button. These steps ensure you're logged in and ready to access all the functionalities Google offers. Next, locate the grid of small squares, sometimes referred to as the Google Apps Launcher, positioned in the upper right corner of your screen. Click on it, and a menu will roll down, revealing various Google services. Scroll through the apps until you find Slides and click on it. This will take you directly to the Google Slides homepage where you can either open an existing presentation or start a new one. Once you're in your presentation, navigate to the specific slide where you want to include a table. Positioning your table in the right place from the start can save you lots of time later on. With the slide in view, cast your gaze to the top of the screen and locate the menu bar. Click on Insert, which will unfold a drop-down menu filled with options for enhancing your slide. Among these is Table. When you hover over Table, you'll notice a grid appear. This grid is your tool to customize the table exactly to your needs. Here's how it works. By moving your cursor across the grid, you select the size of the table based on how many rows and columns you desire. Google Slides generously offers up to a 20x20 table. As you move your cursor, you'll see the outline of the table change. Once you've highlighted the dimensions that fit your requirements, just click your mouse. Instantly, the table appears on your slide, ready for you to fill with content or data as you see fit. Congratulations, you've just added a table to your slide. From here, you can customize it further by adding data, adjusting the design, or modifying its layout. Tables can be a powerful way to make information more accessible and visually appealing. And there you have it, a simple process to enhance your presentation's precision and impact with a table. I hope you found this guide helpful, and now you can confidently incorporate tables into your presentations.